Good morning students, welcome to Bindu Dhadwal chemistry lessons. Today we'll be doing some important objective type questions of the chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes. How is the reactivity of haloalkanes affected in nucleophilic substitution reaction 1, unimolecular, if the number of alkyl groups attached to carbon atom of carbon halogen bond increases? So we know that in the SN1 reactions, nucleophilic substitution, unimolecular reactions, the order of reactivity is tertiary is more reactive than secondary is more reactive than primary. So these will be more reactive. So when we increase the number of alkyl group, the alkyl halide changes from primary to secondary to tertiary, so reactivity will increase. What is the hybridization of carbon atom in carbon halogen bond in haloarenes? So in haloarenes, the halogen is attached to a doubly bonded carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. So hybridization is sp2. Which of the two haloalkanes or haloarenes have greater carbon halogen bond length? So with the change in hybridization from sp3 to sp2, the bond length decreases. In haloarenes, it's sp2 hybridization, whereas in haloalkane, it is sp3. So this will be having greater carbon halogen bond. Haloalkanes will have greater carbon halogen bond. What is the carbon atom next to carbon double bond carbon known as? It is allylic carbon. Name the reaction depicted below. An alkyl halide plus sodium iodide will form alkyl iodide plus sodium chloride. This is Finkelstein reaction. It is also known as halide exchange reaction, where we exchange chlorine or bromine with iodine. Which mechanism is favorable for reaction shown below? CH3Br, as it's a methyl bromide, OH will replace Br to form methanol and bromidine. So we see that in SN2 mechanism, the order of reactivity is methyl halide is more reactive than primary, than secondary, than tertiary. So as it is a methyl halide, so it will favor nucleophilic substitution by molecular reaction. So SN2 mechanism is favorable. Give an example of ambident nucleophile. An ambident nucleophile is one in which the linkage can be from either atom, either carbon or nitrogen. So example can be cyanide. It's an ambident. It can attach to carbon as well as nitrogen. Name the product formed when acetone is treated with iodine and sodium hydroxide. It is iodoform. So as this is acetone, when we reacted with iodine and NaOH, NaOI is formed, which will convert this CH3 group into CHI3, that is iodoform. Give the name of Y in this reaction. So when propyl bromide reacts with magnesium in presence of dry ether, propyl magnesium bromide is formed. So this propyl magnesium bromide, when it's reacted with water, water breaks up to add up. H comes here to form propane and OH here to form magnesium hydroxybromide. So product Y is propane. This is the answer. Chlorine is passed through boiling tube containing toluene in presence of sunlight. Name the product formed. So this is toluene. When it reacts with chlorine and it's passed through boiling tube, then H and Cl combine to form HCl. Cl gets attached in place of that H to form benzyl chloride. So answer is benzyl chloride. During dehydrohalogenation, hydrogen is removed from that carbon atom where it is already less. Name the rule. This is Sage-Zev's rule, which states that alkane is formed during dehydrohalogenation which is more alkyl substituted, and a more alkyl substituted alkene will be formed when hydrogen is removed from that carbon atom which is already having less hydrogens. What is the nature of carbon magnesium bond in Grignard reagent? It is covalent bond. How many planes of vibration does plane polarized light have? It's only one. What is the process of conversion of an enantiomer into a racemic mixture known as its racemization? In which direction the dextrorotatory compounds rotate the plane polarized light? So dextrorotatory compounds rotate it to the right, whereas levorotatory will rotate towards left. So dextrorotatory, answer is right. What is the property of non-superimposability of mirror images in organic compounds known as? It is known as chirality. Name the product X of the reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride, when reacts with cuprous chloride in presence of HCl, chlorobenzene is formed. So product is chlorobenzene and nitrogen is eliminated. And this reaction is Sandmeyer's reaction. Answer to this question is chlorobenzene. How does boiling point of haloalkane and haloarene changes with increase in number of halogen atoms? So as the atomic mass increases with the increase in number of halogen atoms, boiling point will also increase. Van der Waals force of attraction increase. When aniline is converted to benzene diazonium chloride by reacting with nitrous acid in ice cold condition, the process is known as diazotization. So this reaction is known as diazotization. Which reaction is used for preparation of alkanes containing even number of carbon atoms from alkyl halides? So it is Wood's reaction. In Wood's reaction, alkyl halide is made to react with sodium in presence of dry ether. NaCl is formed and the two alkyl groups join together to form an alkane of even number of carbon atoms. How many steps are involved in SN1 mechanism? So 2 steps are involved in nucleophilic unimolecular substitution reaction. First, the alkyl halide will remove halide ion and form a carbocation. So this is step number 1. In the second step, a nucleophile gets attached with the carbocation. So there are 2 steps. So in SN1 mechanism, 2 steps are involved. Is racemic mixture optically active or inactive? A racemic mixture contains dextro and levorotatory molecules in equal amount. So the overall effect is that the plane polarized light is not moved because the action is equal. So overall a racemic mixture is inactive. Name a reaction that is used to prepare iodoalkane from alkyl chlorides. It's Finkelstein reaction. It's also known as halide exchange reaction. When we react chloro or bromoalkane with sodium iodide in presence of acetone, the Cl is replaced with iodine to form alkyl iodide. The reaction is Finkelstein reaction. Under which common name carbon tetrachloride is used as fire extinguisher? Under the name pyrene. Which harmful gas is produced by aerial oxidation of chloroform in presence of light? It's phosgene, COCl2. Name the most common industrially used freon. It's freon 12. Identify the reaction. CH3CH2Br reacts with silver cyanide to form ethyl isocyanide and AgBr. This happens because this bond is covalent, so it takes a longer time to detach or break up. So in the meantime, the alkyl group attaches through nitrogen. It's an ambident ligand, so isocyanide is formed. Give an example of racemic mixture. So 2-butanol will have 2 non-superimposable mirror images, one in which OH is on the right side, another in which OH is on the left side. So the mixture of 2 is racemic mixture. So 2-butanol is the answer. Which reagent is preferred for the preparation of alkyl chloride from alcohols? It's thionyl chloride, SOCl2. Which halogen compound is used in the treatment of malaria? Answer is chloroquine. So that's all in today's video. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.